All right, Dustin, you're almost done putting on the springs. Tell me, where do most people go wrong that try to do it themselves?
Well, first of all, if you can get past getting the old springs off, once you put the new springs on, as you can see, we've replaced both springs and we're about to start adding tension to the springs. There's a formula that you have to follow in order to put the correct amount of turns on these springs. And if you don't do that properly, the door is not going to work. That's the main thing that you have to worry about. Each different type of door has a different amount of turns you put on the spring. And, it's a really complicated thing for somebody who doesn't know what they're doing inside of the garage. It's definitely not safe.